Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Some more good content for y'all, man. What I'm finna do, man, some shit I should have been done. I've been procrastinating on it, man. We about to install these right here. My old side skirts, man, for my charger, bro. Fits perfectly and everything, so all you're gonna need for this one, this thing, if you do order this one, I'm gonna put the link in the description as well. You can't go back to my link where I installed on my Dodge Charger. The link is on there as well. But it comes with what is it called? Some adhesive, but you don't need adhesive. It doesn't work really. What we gonna do today, man? I already got the screws and everything too. The screws that came with it. So you will need some extra screws. So just be mindful of that. You need some extra screws. Obviously, you're gonna need a jack. You don't even need a jack in a way, depending on how your car is. And then you're gonna need a drill, which is this right here. I got my drill and my drill bits in there. So that's all you really gonna need. And once again, you're gonna need those extra screws. So, but if you are new to the channel, man, make sure you go like, share the video, man, smash that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. Let's get into it.
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he says that he wonders why I don't and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black. And I told him to keep all the loss. The Lord coming back. But my homie, he's stuck in the trap.
Pretty high enough. Should be right.
Put on the floor like this, and so you won't get any dirt and dust on you. So normally, hopefully you have to see in the camera. Normally it's supposed to go like this. If you are doing it on your car, it's really supposed to go like that. Obviously, this is gonna be on the other side, but it's supposed to go like this. But if you see this, it's not like the charger. You see the door. You see that little slit? That isn't where the door stops at. You know what I'm saying? The door is like way down here. So if you open it, it's just gonna open and pull it off your damn thing. So I'm doing it from this end. Because obviously the door crack is right here. And I'll show y'all real quick, run all the way. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't even scrub it. So, yeah, I mean, if you open it all the way, I think it will move it down slightly, but it should be all right. If not, man, you can adjust this as well, make it a little bit longer, but you're gonna see a little space right here. Other than that, man, that's how we gonna do it.
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he says that he wonders why I don't and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black. And I told him to keep all the loss. The Lord coming back. But my homie, he's stuck in the trap. My brothers, at night I pray for my mother. What we had was a ball like no other. And I'm knowing too well I was under a spell when I was telling that girl that I loved her. Ay, my mind is filled with that clutter. Lord's willing I stand to recover. But you don't really know what we've been through. Coming up was tough, the feeling was stuck. They popping them beans like a sensu. Enough is enough. tough, I'm calling your bluff. We all need that someone to vent to. That's someone to vent to. Hell nah, I ain't sharing no gun smoke. Hell nah, I ain't sharing no gun smoke. Hell nah, I don't care if it's runs, bro. It's repent or die, I ain't telling no lie. One body, one mind, and it's one soul. One body, one mind, and it's one soul. My homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he sits and he wonders why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the laws. The Lord coming back, but my homie, he's stuck in the trap. He's stuck in the trap.
I done separated my connection with dealing and stealing, and no, I don't want it back. Guess I'm acting different when you in the city, cause I'm no longer balling a smuggle pack. Far as I remember, I was never the type to get close to the crowd, and I wonder that. Maybe that's the Lord's way of making sure that I'm coming back. Was sick of feeling sorrow, tired of being hollow. Really had to swallow pride before I died. After we was robbing, almost got to sobbing. Prayed until the Father brought me to the light, and then I had to fight. I was sick of seeing wicked sights, and I ain't even wanna spend the money that we stole at night. I done fell off the face of the planet. To those in the world, I've been cooling, but I'm growing in spirit. Who knew that the one who was quiet in school, he'd be out holding camp where they shooting and rebuking. Examples I'm giving, I give to the ones in my generation. Come and join the movement. You from the tribe of Judah.
My homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he sits and he wonders why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. I did hit him back. I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the laws. The Lord coming back, but my homie, he's stuck in the trap. He's stuck in the trap.
You need to decide where you leave, where you stay. Them tears up in your eyes, that pressure drive you insane. I pray you do survive. I tried to show you a way, but you don't mind the lies. You fell in love with the fame, and you know that I know why you won't let it go. That women we done well forgot to hold up on your dome. And when you overseas, they make you feel you right at home. And then you get on stage and everyone singing along. But is it worth your soul or your salvation? Living in sin leave you blemished just like a Dalmatian. Them dividends won't hit within. Just humble down and face it. You my kin until the end. I've been praying.
My homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he sits and he wonders why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. I did hit him back. I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the laws. The Lord coming back, but my homie, he's stuck in the trap. He's stuck in the trap. Did hit him back.
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he sits and he wonders why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the laws.
What it looks like under there. For y'all an example, and it's pretty much lined up. Make sure you check everything. Obviously this side is supposed to be on the back, so it loops in and it lines up. Lines up pretty nice to me. So I'm just gonna show y'all that side, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna show y'all the outside. You already know, as usual, give y'all an outside view as well, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that notification bell as well so you get notified every time I post a video. So but like profit or not.
Hey, hey, yeah.
used to laugh, I'm laughing to the bank now. We getting bags, no more water, I just sing now.